So the reason why we hear a lot about integration and SaaS together is really because the lot of the data, most of the data that we talk about and need in a SaaS environment is located on-premise. So the two go hand in hand. You really can't have a SaaS application or a cloud-based application without some sort or some form of integration. There are a couple of interesting studies around this actually, which really point to the importance of integration in a SaaS market. The first of these is a report by Forrester that's been done for 3 years now, and it shows that integration is the top reason why people say they're not at all interested in SaaS. That's a powerful statement to say that we're not at all interested in SaaS. I mean, that sounds crazy, but you know, there's all these concerns about how would I get the data into the system, how would I get it clean, how would I do the technical migration, but also the deduping and how often would I have to do that. There's just too many issues. Privacy, security, all of those issues come up as well. So maybe not too surprising. Another interesting study done by Gartner just recently points to the fact that there are people moving back from SaaS to on-premise applications, if you can believe that. But the top reason that they gave for moving away from SaaS and back to on-premise was the complexity of integration that had grown way beyond what they were told during the initial purchasing cycle of the SaaS application. Now, the impact of integration can be tremendously positive. So just imagine having a cloud-based application that needs information from multiple systems and has it in real time and totally available at any time you may need. Also, not just from that one-stop shop visibility perspective, but also from the perspective that when you change data information or you take an action inside your SaaS application, because of integration, that can actually go and fire off all kinds of business processes in other systems. So without ever, for instance, logging into NetSuite or SAP, you can, right from your CRM system, go ahead and make orders and check on the status of orders, and without learning those other systems. So, you know, clearly there's all kinds of great benefits from being able to do that integration. So if I were to say one thing, what I would say is consider integration up front. Even if you're not going to do hardcore integration right out of the gate, you're going to be doing some migration of data immediately with your SaaS application. And so you should consider the two things both at the same time so that there's no surprises along the way. By doing that, integration and SaaS will be great bedfellows for a long time to come.